Why do we tend to be drawn to great motivators and philosophers? Is it because we find ourselves inspired to shed our fears and chase our creativity? For me, this is the case. I'm amazed by how much people care to see others succeed.
And the question is, if you died today, what dreams, what ideas, what leadership, what books, what gifts will die with you? The wealthiest place on the planet is not in the Far East where there's oil in the ground. It's not in South Africa where there are diamond mines. It's that the wealthiest place on the planet is the cemetery. Because there you find potential never realized. There you find dreams never pursued. There you find people allow themselves to be imprisoned by fear and living a small life.
Fear seems to kill our creativity. We have to find a way to move past our fears and open our minds to the possibility of our future. To do this, we need to increase our confidence in a way that helps us become closer with our true self.
And so when you start to separate confidence not as a matter of personality, but as a skill that you can acquire, because confidence is the ability to move, in my opinion, from thought to action. Because when you're a confident person, you believe enough in yourself and your capabilities that you're willing to try, that you're willing to share. To me, confidence isn't the assuredness that it turns out, it's the willingness to try.
Increasing our confidence can lead us to great things. It can help us move into a state of peace. Self-growth should be our deepest desire.
How does your head look to your eyes? Well, I tell you, it looks like what you see out in front of you. Because all that you see out in front of you is how you feel inside your head. Zhuangzi, the Taoist, said, "It is easy enough to stand still. The difficulty is to walk without touching the ground." Why do you feel so heavy? It isn't just a matter of gravitation and weight. It is that you feel that you are carrying your body around. But if you dig this world, you can have a marvelous time